วัสดีค่ะ Hello everyone welcome to Spicy Thai Food Channel My name is Jann I am here to help you to cook and eat Thai food under $10 Today I will show you guys how to make ยำหน่อไม้ฝรั่ง or Spicy Thai Asparagus Salad It's very easy and delicious and healthy Before we get started, let's wash our hand first. I like to wash my hand before cooking and after cooking for my good hygiene. Here are ingredients. Slice of onion, mint.1 Fresno chili pepper, spicy salad sauce, asparagus, shrimp, ground chicken, ear mushroom, what we call เห็ดหูหนู look like this. Have you tried before, you guys? This is lime juice. Add lime juice, sugar.Fish sauce. For 4 of these, I will cook first and then we will mix together. I will blanch ear mushroom about 1 minute. Just add in a pot. And put on the plate.Next one will be asparagus, about 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, I remove asparagus out from hot water and then put in ice water 1 minute to stop cooking process. Just like this, you guys. Next will be shrimp.I will cook shrimp about 1 minute. I remove shrimp from the pot and put on a plate. Next, ground chicken will be 2 minutes. Make sure your ground chicken is cooked. And that's it. Okay, now everything is ready. We just mix the sauce and all ingredients together.And we call ยำหน่อไม้ฝรั่ง or Spicy Thai Asparagus Salad. Spicy asparagus, ear mushroom or เห็ดหูหนู Oh my goodness.Look amazing ยำหน่อไม้ฝรั่ง or Spicy Thai Asparagus Salad So delicious or อร่อยมาก It's only under $10 From Spicy Thai Food Channel โอ้ย make my mouth watering now you guys เปรี้ยวปากมากๆเลยดูดีมากเลยค่ะเพื่อนๆเปรี้ยวปากมากเลยเนี่ยทำไปก็กลืนน้ำลายไปนะคะเดี๋ยวในแอดมิ้นท์ mix together oh look at that you guys oh so good so spicy so delicious อร่อยมาก oh beautiful aha time to try or time to ชิม yummy cheers you guys spicy super spicy ยำหน่อไม้ฝรั่ง or Spicy Thai Asparagus Salad so spicy or เผ็ดมาก It's so delicious or อร่อยมาก spicy sweet I would like you guys try this recipe smoke If you don't know how to cook asparagus please use this recipe it's very quick and easy and don't forget it's under $10 I hope you enjoy this video as I do I love to have you here please like subscribe and share and please turn on notification or hit the bell button for the next videos. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate for your support. I will see you the next video. ขอบคุณค่ะ